So, oh, something came off.
So, what's the plan here today, Marshall?
I bought this new barn and plan on eventually cleaning it out to work on the cars in here. But it came with this toolbox full of tools, but it's locked pretty good.
But there's definitely tools in there. You can see them.
You can see the tools in there a little bit. Locked down here too. So we're gonna drill the lock out and see what's in here.
Alright, guys. Apparently it's recording right now.
Wow, the whole thing's spinning. So, oh, something came off. Oh, the front faceplate. That's what was spinning.
Yeah.
Baba.
That's it.
I don't know if they caught it turn, but it did.
Drilled out. Plenty of stuff. Look at all that shit.
What do we got in here? Battery, ground cable. You know we need those.
This is kind of cool. I like the thermometer. That way you can know when you're freezing your balls off.
K&N filters. Harley Davidson. What is that? Just a ball?
Like an old racquetball.
Racquetball.
Razor blade.
Razor blade in backwards for safety. Trailer thing or something.
Yes, it looks like.
A good, a nice little set of sockets, that's for sure.
Definitely.
Let's see what brand they are.
Probably Craftsman, right?
Willmans.
Willmans.
They come from the foundry. This gross buffing ball. Where do we get that from? Oh, like that. It's a weird thing. Ow, man, that fucking got me.
Oof.
It hit me like right in the shin. Thanks, Becky. There's a pipe cutter, an elbow, more drill bits.
Man, we could have used that pipe cutter at the track.
This is like a electric toggle switch kind of thing.
Oh, dang.
Full set of wrenches. Nice little drill bits.
Hey,
Dremel
there's the
bits.
keys.
There's the key.
That might be the key to that master lock down there.
Could be. Look at this nice crescent
That
wrench.
is pretty nice.
More wrenches, of course. Nice,
Those are nice, yeah.
yeah. Some nice punches, never been used. File. Oh, channel locks, metal sheet metal cutters, dikes, and needle nose. More keys, more Allen wrenches, more drill bits, die grinder bits. They're brand new.
Ooh,
And
look at
die
that.
grinder, yeah. There's a gun
Gun lock.
for a Ruger with the keys.
Dang. What do you got over there?
This?
Yeah. It's like a chuck.
Some kind of chuck or something. Broken piece of a drill, maybe. Little nails. Safety lockout. Possibly.
Yeah, we're gonna use that.
Yeah. Another one. Screws. Oh, these brass punches. Oh no, it's brass pipes, but I use them as punches. Let's see if we can get into the
We got
master
multiple
lock.
keys in there.
And that's
No
the one.
way.
Sweet, so we get a lock. I don't even know how this works.
Pull it up.
Oh, yeah. Tape measure. Some life left in it, not really.
Mini hexa.
This nice.
Yes.
Syringes?
No, Allen's.
More syringes. What do we got here? Just a notebook, 97. Pocket Pal. From 1997. That's pretty old.
Yeah.
Dripper.
Magnifying glass.
Yeah, magnifying glass. Chalk line. Another master lock. Oh,
That's a nice
main
hammer.
tool drawer.
That's a
Hammer.
nice hammer.
Hammer, lots of punches. More Allen wrenches. This is a magnet. Pretty strong one too. Holy crap.
Look at that nice sized drill bit in there too.
That thing, yeah. 1/2-inch drill bit. Brass hammers. Those are not
That's
cheap.
nice.
It's a dope drawer.
Ooh.
Dang. Look at this thing.
Milwaukee hole saw.
This thing is oh yeah. That's expensive. That's probably
Yeah.
80 to 90 bucks. Some kind of oil changer.
Yes.
Motorcycle kickstands and Kickstarter.
All right.
Let's check out the hole saw kit. That's freaking dope.
Yeah.
Yep, it's all
That's
there.
nice.
That's at least $90. Let's check this one out. Armstrong. Probably one nut in here.
Probably wrenches, man. No?
Allen wrenches. And things for sockets.
You got a lot of Allen wrenches.
Right? Never gonna need that one.
Fuel filter in there.
Oh, nudie magazines.
No way.
Just kidding, I don't know. Some kind of magazine.
It's a Jegs magazine. Old one.
Old Jegs. Blazing Summer Savings.
What year is that from?
I'm not sure.
03.
Oh yeah, not that old. Not as old as that one from 97. Eastwood. Yellow Loctite. Adhesive speed bonder.
It's a blue thing. Flashlight?
Fuel filter. Mag light with no batteries in it. It's a mirror? Oh, with no mirror in it. I got some other cool mirrors over here. Fender mirrors.
From the bottom, probably. You gotta pull it up.
Air hose, air tools. Brand new in the package yet.
Look at the big rubber hammer. Mallet.
Rubber mallet. Some shit right there. Is that what it is?
Just like PVC pipe and little metal pipes.
That's a pretty solid find, I would say.
Yeah. Plus whatever you got in those on.
Yeah, this one was filled with. This one's already open, but it's got little bits in them.
Still stuff.
Rivets.
Usable.
These mirrors I thought were pretty cool. Like,
Oh, those are pretty cool. Just put them on the
Tied
fender of the
together.
taco.
yeah, totally like fender mirrors. Put 2 screws in there and
Oh yeah.
clips in.
All right. Well, that was actually easier than I thought, and pretty good find.
Right?
So that was just a quick little episode. But what should they do, Marshall?
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and peace out. Okay, guys, bonus content. We found a Master Mechanic box here with a lock on it. So we're gonna cut her open.
Oh, watch out, Becky. You picked the right side. I'm surprised it spin. Or it would spin.
Right.
Ah, good. Scotch tape.
Yeah.
And hose attachment.
Water hose. So yeah. Some stencils.
Yeah, there's a whole lot of nothing in here.
Flashlight. X-Acto blade, that's not in there. Piece of a compression tester. The coolest little tape measure.
Well, that was probably not even worth it.
Yep.
Good.
If it was worth being locked, there's something cooler in there.
Right?
You'd think. Well, bonus content.